everyone, I am Tanya Chaurasia from class 9th A. Today I stand before you to deliver a story on the topic from Panchatattvas to particles. Grandfather, what is the world made up of? I once asked my grandfather as we watched the sunset from our terrace. He smiled and said, Child, everything you see in the universe is made up of the Panchatattvas, the five great elements of nature. The Prithvi, the Jal, the Agni, the Vayu and the Akash. His words filled my young mind with wonder. I imagined tiny bits of earth and fire floating everywhere and creating everything around me. But years later, when I decided to study science, my science teacher said, everything in the universe is made up of matter, and matter is made up of particles. That day, I decided to find out how the particles and the Panchatattvas were connected. Long ago, people did not have microscopes or chemical labs, yet they were great observers of nature. They said that life was dependent on the five main forces of nature. Prithvi, which gave structure and strength. Vayu, which gave life and movement. Jal, which gave flow and softness. Agni, which gave heat and energy. And finally, the Akash, which gave emptiness to hold everything together. They believed that our body too was made up of these same forces. Blood from Jal, bones from Prithvi, and Vayu, which was in the form of breath, and heat from Agni, and the thoughts which meander into our minds in the form of Akash. For them, science and human body was the same. But science took this curiosity even further. One day I decided to try an experiment. I took an ice cube, cool and solid, representing Prithvi. I kept it on a pan and it melted into Jal. And when I lit the stove, the Agni turned the water into the vapors. The vapor rose into the Vayu and finally disappeared into the Akash. And now, whenever I look around, I see both science and philosophy at work. When the wind blows, it's Vayu. When the sun dries my clothes, it's Agni. And when I breathe, the air enters the Akash within me. When it rains, it's Jal returning to Prithvi. The ancient explained it with the Panchatattvas, whereas the modern science describes it as the particles. So, the world is made up of both the knowledge of particles and the wisdom of the Panchatattvas. So, whether we call it the atoms or the tattvas, but both tell the same story. Everything is connected, and that the story of matter, life, and the beautiful mysteries of our universe. Thank you.